They're the world's largest land animal. You can tell the three species apart by their ears. Their trunks have mad skills. Their tusks are actually teeth. They've got thick skin. Elephants are constantly eating. They communicate through vibrations. Elephants are highly sensitive and caring with well-developed social behaviors, demonstrating empathy and concern for others within the family group and beyond. They are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions, feelings, compassion, and self-awareness. Elephants are more likely to be found in scrub forest, especially near grassy areas. Asian elephants are 18 to 21 feet, 5.5 to 6.4 m, long. Male Asian elephants average 11,500 pounds, 5,221 kilograms, and may weigh up to 15,000 pounds. Females average 7,700 pounds, but may weigh up to 9,000 pounds.